Locknow Safety Team. We believe that a faster response is the safest response. We look forward to serving you. The Locknow Safety App features 3 primary screens. On the left, the home screen is shown. Your screen may not look identical to this screen depending on the alerts available to you. In the middle, you can see an active threat alert notification. On the right, you see a straightforward messaging screen that facilitates easy communication for your team during a crisis. Shown here are typical protocol uses of the alert buttons. Additional emergencies are available behind the General Alerts button. To activate an alert, tap the desired icon on the home screen to start the process. To activate the active threat alert, tap the red alert icon. Next, tap the location of the threat. Your location options are pre-programmed into the app for your facility. Finally, slide the initiation bar to the right to activate the alert. You'll receive a confirmation text message once the alert is activated. The alert will not activate without sliding the bar to the right. After you activate or receive an alert, navigate to the messaging screen for important communication and updates regarding your situation. When receiving an alert, the notification is designed to include an alarm. Opening the notification will take you to the messaging screen, or you can launch the app manually. Again, monitor the messaging screen during an event for important communication. Be aware that anything tethered to your phone can interrupt the alarm and notifications from the app. Smartwatches connected to the phone can impact the alerts. The messaging screen heading provides crucial information during any event. At the top, you'll see the name of the person who activated the alert, the time it was triggered, the campus where it occurred, and the location where the threat was initially reported. As updates are shared, a timeline will be displayed on the messaging screen. To send a message, tap the message bar at the bottom to bring up the keyboard. Then hit Send to share your message with everyone. All alerts are activated in the same manner we just described. The messaging screen works the same for each alert as well. Simple communication during a stressful situation. During any alert, users have access to the active threat alert at the top of the screen. It's essential to be prepared for an active threat situation. If needed, you can start an active threat alert by tapping the Escalate to Lockdown button and confirming your action on the following screen. Users can check their settings in their profile by tapping the Profile button in the top right. This allows the user to see their name, email, and other campus settings. User can also test the alert notifications on their own device by navigating to Profile. Then, scroll down and tap the Test Notifications button. On the next screen, you can test the banner notification, alarm notification, or the end alert notification. Again, these alerts will only sound on your device. Android users can check for suggested configurations or settings in the app as well. Simply navigate to the Profile screen and scroll down and tap the Configurations button. Compare your settings to those on the screen and make any necessary adjustments. Be aware, if you allow your phone to remove unused apps, it could impact your ability to access the Locknow app at critical times. Do not use earbuds or headphones with the Locknow Safety app. Doing so could damage your ears. This completes the training for general users of the Locknow Safety app. If you have any questions or experience any problems, please reach out to us at team@locknowapp.com.